Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a design team haul for you. This is an unboxing of the Fearless collection from Cheaply Chic. Lynette, she is here on YouTube, and I'm so privileged to be on her design team, and I'm super excited for this one because she is what had been in the process of moving for the past several months, and so she hasn't done a kit in several months, and she came out with her first one coming back, and I love it. I watched her video. I'll have the link down below for this. She did an unboxing, and then she also has extra ephemera packs that go along with it, but I am super excited for this one. As I said, it is called Fearless, and this is just the little intro card that she includes in each of her packages. It's kind of like a little devotional because she just has, I just always love reading these, and she just talks about, she includes parts of her life in them, and it talks about the inspiration of why she put this collection together. And so yeah, it's just so awesome. And I always try and use this after I read it. Of course, I try and use this within the journal. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this. So each kit comes with this. It comes with the book that she has pre-made. It's a blank pages on the inside with just a little bit of like tea dyeing and things like that, but then she decorates the cover and then includes the packet of all the ephemera and the vintage items. It's so awesome. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it. So she has a crocheted doily sewn on top of the paper, tied up with this beautiful crocheted lace. Go ahead and untie that. She has this really fun trim on the bottom, the name of the collection, Fearless, and then this really fun trim sewn around the cover. And it's on this beautiful Maggie Holmes paper, I believe is what she said, that has the hot air balloons. And I just always, this hot air balloons always make me think of Wizard of Oz. So I love this, but it is like a circus theme. So here it is. I think she said she includes 15 sheets of paper. So there are blank sheets, there are book pages. This one is an awesome one with clowns, kind of a circus theme. Tea stained papers in here, note papers, some music paper, her signature heart stained paper. I actually have some of these heart little tart pans that I've been saving to do this, and I haven't tried it yet, so I need to, because I love how that turns out. Some grid paper, a glassine bag, ledger paper, and then there's the other sides to everything here. So, oh, this is cool. Look at the back of this one. Awesome. So that is the book, and she said that these normally fit in like the Webster's notebook covers. So they're like a 4 by 8.5, I think, something like that. And then here is the ephemera packet. All kinds of vintage and new goodies in here. Here's a little baggie of all the little fun fibers and fat yarns. And then this is a glassine bag of gold paper clips. This is really fun. Some hot air balloon napkin. That'll be fun for decoupaging. This little kit is really fun. Carousel horse cards, playing cards. I actually saw her show this in her video, and I think they're so awesome. I think they'll be perfect for a Mary Poppins themed book that I want to do, and so I went on eBay and ordered a full deck of these. I think there's 2 different colors, so I'll have that for when I do those journals. This is cool, a guest pass for a circus, and then another little glassine bag full of a bunch of little tags and things. So, whoops, there's a little heart. This is a little tag. These are style tags. This is, it says Louis Outstanding. A little prize sticker there. A little tiny coin envelope, some tickets. This is from an amusement park, Staten Island. Claim check. Another claim check, some more tickets. I love these white blank ones because you can stamp things on those or embellish them. And then here are some punch outs from the paper collection. So super fun there. And then let's see, here is the charm bookmark that she puts in every one. She kind of coordinates it with, it's a beaded bookmark, I mean, and that just, it is a long enough piece to go from top to the bottom and on a page. So yeah, opens up like that. And then this was something fun she said she included this time. This is an earring piece with a little lobster clasp there, and a bunch of little tiny beads that go along color-wise with the collection, and you just add that and add it to, like, you can make a little tassel or charm dangle on the spine of the book, or you can just add it on one of the pages. So that'll be fun. And then here is a little bundle of fun ephemera. This is a really fun hot air balloon piece and a doily there. And then there is a library card pocket with a library card. Those are always fun to embellish. A glassine envelope, first place ribbon, peanut bags. These are always fun. She always stamps one of the craft tags with a fun stamp, so those are cool. Here's an inventory tag, another tag, plain one, an alterations tag, bingo card, a tag made from the paper collection, and then a time card there. And then this fun envelope as well. So every single piece that she sends can be used in your journal. Just got to be creative. And then here is some labels that you can embellish and color up. 2 pieces from the collection, really fun, with a coordinating flower, and then this one that has the medallion ribbons. And then here are the vintage papers that she sent. So this one has these fun kangaroos there, and this one looks like a typing, yes, a typing lesson page, and then a music sheet page. This looks like a magazine, vintage magazine page from the library, the Cleveland Press, The Librarian. That's cool. And then a vintage wallpaper sheet. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this. I'm going to be making some things with this, so go ahead and subscribe so you'll be notified when I come out with a video with some process videos of what you can do with these items. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Check out Lynette's channel, Cheaply Chic. I'll have the links down below, as well as her Etsy shop if you are interested in this collection. Hopefully it isn't sold out, because a lot of times her collections sell out. So super fun. And yeah, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.